Introduction. The class develops how the electrical system of a car works and its most important components. Electrical system of a car and its most important components. The electrical system of a car is an important part of its operation, starting with the generation of the spark that starts the combustion and ignites the engine. With advances in electronics and computer technology applied to the automotive industry, this system has become more complex and efficient. The operation of the electrical system. The electrical system requires a source of energy, the battery, a component to regulate and recharge that energy, the alternator, and a wiring network that distributes the energy to the various electrical components of the vehicle are main parts of the electrical system. These are the most important components of a car's electrical system. Battery. It acts as the core of the car's electrical system, supplying the power required to start the engine and operate systems such as lighting, air conditioning, and electronic entertainment devices. Starter motor uses battery power to start the engine by generating a spark that ignites the fuel-air mixture in the cylinders. Alternator. While the car is running, the alternator recharges the battery and supplies power to the vehicle's electrical systems. A malfunctioning alternator can result in loss of charge to the battery, limiting the car's ability to run. Fuses. They protect the electrical system by preventing damage from overloads. They function as the first point of defense against possible electrical faults, cutting off the current when the electrical flow exceeds safe level. And impact of the electrical system on other car components. Electric power steering improves vehicle maneuverability by using an electric motor instead of traditional hydraulic systems, automatically adapting to driving conditions. Lighting systems, essential for nighttime visibility and during adverse weather conditions. Lighting systems depend entirely on the efficiency of the electrical system, air conditioning, and ventilation. The performance of systems such as air conditioning is directly dependent on the health of the electrical system, as any failure can prevent proper operation. Technological advances in the electrical system of cars. Technological evolution has significantly transformed the electrical systems of modern vehicles. The integration of computerized management systems and advanced sensors has improved the efficiency, safety, and interactivity of the car. OBD onboard diagnostic systems now make it possible to monitor in real time the state of health of the electrical system and prevent failures before they occur. Electric vehicles and hybrids, in particular, rely heavily on sophisticated electrical systems that manage everything from propulsion to energy storage, further underscoring the importance of keeping these systems in top condition. The electrical system is a critical part of any vehicle. Its proper maintenance and understanding not only ensures efficient and safe operation, but also supports the evolution towards more advanced and environmentally friendly vehicles. Keeping up with technological advances and recommended maintenance practices is a must for any car owner.
Learn about our fleet management consulting and training services. Reduce costs and optimize fleet management activities. We electrify your fleet of vehicles. We carry out the electrification plan until its implementation, known as